Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the DailyData app. An app which lets you earn money by sharing videos and photos you capture for tasks. You can download this app from the Play Store. The link for this app is given in the description below. Once you download the app, sign up using your contact or proceed with Google. I log in through Google account and then I enter my first name and last name and click on next. And then you can see is this interface. Why are we collecting multimedia data? And then click on next. This interface shows you can complete easy tasks by taking photos, videos, audios, etc. and earn money. And then click on next. You can withdraw the earned amount through UPI, phone number or bank account. And then click on Got It. Here you can see two tasks given for the day. One is take photos of medical devices from your phone and the next is take photos of vehicles and earn up to rupees 200. You can choose any of the tasks. I choose vehicles and here you can see different sections. The first one shows you capture images of tractors, next tempos in vans, and the third bus. Capture bus images through the app. You can decide and choose one. Likewise, I select tractors and you can see the instructions given below. Only tractor images are allowed, downloaded or screen captures are not allowed, and low quality images are not allowed. Photos should be taken from this app's camera and repeated angle photos will be rejected. Photos would be reviewed in 3 to 4 days. Then click on next and accept the terms and conditions. And then here you can see as of now no photos are uploaded. You are not allowed to take photos from your gallery. So click on capture and click the app picture and then upload it. It would take, as I said, 3 to 4 days to get your picture approved and points will be rewarded accordingly. So this way you can upload photos as asked according to the task and then earn reward points and get them converted to your amount and withdraw it. To add a payment method, click on the 3 lines on the top left and select payments. Then you can see as of now the balance available is 0. It is shown 50 points make 1 rupee. So keep earning points and turn them into amount after completing the task. And you can add payment method by clicking on the payment method shown. You can see you can add Google Pay, Phone Pay, UPI ID, bank details and Paytm as your payment method. And the minimum withdrawal amount is rupees 25. Once you have certain amount in your wallet, you can type it there and then click on withdraw. So you can also refer a friend by clicking on refer a friend and share it through WhatsApp or Gmail. I shared the link here through WhatsApp. So this way also you can earn reward points by referring it to your friends. So it is such an easy app to just upload pictures or videos according to the task and earn money. So get started. To get more information related to online money making, you may join a free internship program, Your Atmanirbhar project. In this internship, you will learn how to earn money by sitting at home. IPSR started this project with an aim to make 1 lakh students self-reliant through this internship. You will be learning about social media marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. And with that, you will have an opportunity to earn according to your performance. You will also get project guidance from our well-experienced digital marketing team. Yarn Project is an internship program and it's absolutely free. You need not spend money for this internship. To be a part of this program, you need to just fill the application form and submit. So, Click on the link in the description below and become part of this exciting opportunity to enhance your skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.